Use the SAI 6266 B heavy-duty lathe machine, 2000毫米 bed length. Stable spindle performance for metal turning work. Suitable for shaft, disc and medium-sized metal parts. Tested before shipment, good working condition. Ready stock, contact us for best price.